So we've been doing a lot of welding recently for all these beams and plates and stuff, and of course been using the mask, and this is the one we had been using, and of course it's black, you can't see anything, but the screen is really hard to see out of, and that's kind of just like a general thing for welding, but this one is particularly bad. So we've started using this old one, which is actually really clear to see out of. The only problem is there's no handle, so I'm going to stick one on it. Doesn't really look like it at first glance. This here is your welding mask, there's your wee screen, and this is kind of the shape of handle you want, something that you can hook your hands around with a bit of a guard on it as well. So I've drawn out this nice organic shape, and it gives good handle grip, and then there's a nice bit up here where you can screw it and all la-di-da, but it most certainly resembles my drawing. Technically speaking, the handle's all done. You can grab it like this. It's alright. It's a bit rough, which means, sadly, sanding. Woo. So the handle's all smooth and it's ready to be attached as such. So you can hold the mask like that, and then darkness is your friend. But I don't usually finish stuff because it's too much bother and it just gets wrecked because it's in a farm setting. But a black helmet in a dark workshop is actually kind of hard to see. So I'm going to paint the handle to make it stand out a bit. Some Faro and Ball white paint because white is the brightest colour there is. And yep, let's just paint it on with a stick because I don't know. It's oil based as well, so very hard wearing.
When I was younger, wanting to get to the you can buy like the Lego sets that you stuff, all this.